Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the UGAME wired Xbox controller. A versatile gaming controller designed to work across multiple platforms including Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, PS4, Nintendo Switch, PC, Mac, and even iOS and Android devices. If you're looking for a controller that can handle pretty much any system you throw at it, this could be a solid option. First up, let's talk compatibility. One of the standout features of the UGAME controller is just how widely compatible it is. Plug it into an Xbox, a PC, or a Switch, and you're ready to go with no drivers or setup needed. It's perfect for gamers who play across multiple systems or want a controller that can seamlessly transition from console to PC to mobile gaming. Now, let's get into performance. This controller comes with premium AUX potentiometer-based joysticks, which are designed to provide precise movement and eliminate drift. That's paired with a blazing fast 1000 Hz polling rate, meaning inputs are nearly instant, giving you crisp and responsive control whether you're racing, shooting, or playing competitive games. Being a wired controller, it also offers stability that wireless controllers can't always match. The reinforced cable has been tested to handle over 50,000 volts, and you don't have to worry about battery life. Just plug it in, and it's game on. There's no signal loss or lag, which is especially important for fast-paced games where timing is critical. Another area where this controller shines is in its pro-level features. You get two customizable back paddles where you can map buttons or macros. There's also a turbo function, which is incredibly useful for games that require rapid button presses or repetitive combos. For competitive play, these features give you an edge, whether it's shooters, racing, or other action-heavy games. UGAME didn't skimp on aesthetics either. The controller features subtle RGB rings around the joysticks and see-through marble-textured buttons for a modern, immersive look. It also includes dual HD motors, a gyroscope, Hall effect mouse click triggers, and a 3.5mm audio jack. These features add realistic feedback and precise motion control for an enhanced gaming experience. In terms of design, it feels solid and ergonomic. While it may not have the premium feel of official Xbox controllers, it's comfortable for long sessions and delivers all the essential functions you'd expect from a high-performance wired controller. Overall, this wired Xbox controller is a strong choice if you're after a highly compatible, responsive, and feature-rich controller without worrying about batteries. With wired stability, pro-level customization, and modern aesthetics, it offers a complete package for serious gamers. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.